Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace an oven door hinge on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Set the door handle side down on a towel or blanket. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 4 bottom screws securing the outer door panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the door handle and the inner panel assembly. Set the handle aside. You can now separate the inner door assembly from the outer panel. Unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the hinge you're replacing. Remove the old hinge. Install the new oven door hinge by positioning it in the inner door panel. Thread the 2 mounting screws to secure. Join the inner door assembly and the outer door panel together. Realign the handle and fully thread the upper screws to secure it. Replace the 4 bottom screws. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.